What'd you say?
Good job, Mom.
Thank you, honey.
So, I'm gonna help Mommy out, you know, with I can't focus on you right now.
Yeah, you're focusing yourself, right? You have to go to class. So go put your socks on your feet. Yes, he has his sweater on. Go put your... What now? 9 o'clock, Kristen. Is it 9? Hi guys, welcome back to Brunette Life. In this vlog, I'm cleaning, sanitizing, and organizing the fridge. As you can see, my cleaning process gets interrupted a lot by the kids, but I have to do what I have to do. Remember to like, subscribe, and enjoy this vlog. I just use a microfiber cloth and bleach spray to clean the fridge. Get out. Christina, take him to go potty, please. Christopher, let's take him to go potty. Sit right here.
Never told us to potty. Do you need help? Oh, I found his bed. Oh, okay. Do you need help?
No, thank you, honey.
Okay. Never told us to potty.
I rinse my washcloth periodically, and I spray again with Clorox. Yes?
You okay?
I'm okay. Why?
Because I need to show you something.
Was it bad?
Let's say somewhat bad.
What? Tell me.
You know the bottle cap that goes with the bottle?
The what now?
You know how I was ironing my clothes?
Okay.
And I thought I put the bottle cap to the side like on the dryer.
Okay.
Well, I didn't realize that, and then I placed it down.
It fell.
No, it melted on the iron. The top, a hole, it melted. So then I was looking for the top. Then I lifted up, and I was just hearing buzzing sounds. And I looked on the iron, and I see that the bottle cap is stuck to it like hot glue. So I tried cooling it off to get some off, but I tried my best to cool it off, the water.
Okay, well, let me finish with this. I'll come take a look, okay?
Okay. Let me go. Let's go. Okay.
Come on.
Let's see.
So this is not a deep cleaning. This is just like a regular wipe down, sanitizing the fridge. I usually do a deep cleaning once a month where I take everything out the fridge. I pull all the trays out. I wash the trays with soap and water and dry them the best I can and put them back and put the food back in. That's deep cleaning the fridge. Right now I'm just sanitizing the fridge. All right, you finished? Excuse me. Also removing like any crumbs or any smudges in the fridge from the kids with like jelly or peanut butter or just filth.
What am I doing? Washing my hands?
Mommy,
Yeah.
you okay?
Yes.
You need help or anything?
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry. Craig usually wash the grapes. I don't wash the grapes and the strawberries. That's Craig's job. He likes doing that.
So do I.
So is Christopher. I don't like washing the grapes. I don't have the patience to wash the grapes and the strawberries. I just put them in the fridge. I clean, and Craig will come in. He will wash the strawberries, the strawberries and the grapes. I usually wash the apples before putting them in the fridge because they are putting in here loosely without the bag. So I just put the apples, I wash the apples and I put them in the fridge. But Craig and Christopher like washing the strawberries and the grapes. Doesn't bother me. I mean, whatever works, right?
You're gonna try some of that?
No.
I'm grateful for it.
So did you try some?
No, I tried some before. You joking, did it?
Yeah.
All right, so here's the fridge. This is what the fridge looks like. I just need to wash and put the apples in, but this is about everything. Like what's in the freezer is the frozen foods and stuff. But here's the fridge. The fridge is done. The fridge is organized. It's clean. I just need to take the ice out and toss it. And that's about it. So I'm gonna clean up this countertop, get the bread and everything off, and put everything else up. Here's the freezer section. So I usually put this in here. Oh, so while this is here, take this out. Put this up here and let it frost. Take this one out and place it in there. Hi guys, it is about 10 at night. The kids are fast asleep. They went down around 7:30. I find it peaceful to work at night while the kids are asleep. During the day, I can't really get stuff done because I have 3 individuals calling for my attention, and it becomes pretty stressful and overwhelming dealing with the 3 kids and dealing with my daily tasks. So I rather clean at night and do what I have to do when they are asleep because I can focus, I'm calm, I am relaxed, and it's peaceful. So tonight I have to, as you saw earlier today, I went grocery shopping early this morning, clean the fridge and pack the groceries. Right now the kitchen, everything is clean. I'm going to mop the living room floor. Christina was doing her laundry. Looks like that's clean. So that's what I'm doing tonight. I don't really get that job done during the day because the kids are in and out, moving around and whatnot. So I'm going to mop the floor. First, I'm going to sweep because the kids are asleep. instead of me vacuuming and causing a ruckus. So I'm going to sweep and then mop, steam mop with a little bit of bleach just to sanitize the floor. So let's get started. Dress I wear to clean and cook. So I have my steam mop getting hot, and then I am gonna start from that location and move to this stereo right here. Sweet. Let's mop. That floor is dry. I'm going to empty the mop and wash the pad and finish editing. Early bedtime is the best. Like when the kids are in bed at 7 o'clock, I have my time to just relax, grab a glass of wine, watch a movie, edit, and listen to music and just maybe write or read. That is my time to just take a breather and just inhale and exhale. So with that being said, remember to like and subscribe. God bless you. Burnett Life. Me, I am out.